Pew, 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 pew.
Bum. Dun, dun,
Hey
dun.
guys, welcome back to Dead Alliance, and we got this boy over here, which has problems.
Yeah.
And then we also got the FORTNITE SCAR, which is down there.
FORTNITE SCAR.
And there it is. Whoa, that's epic.
Welcome back.
So basically, this SCAR is made out of a strife retaliator back piece, and then the modulus front part, and then we modded the barrel, and then obviously have a modded clip. And it shoots pretty well. Everything still works on it, so if you want to do this yourself, all you need is some of that good duct tape. We use the tan color, and then obviously a strife, and then the regular attachments for it, because if you don't have those, then it basically won't look like a strife.
You're also gonna need toilet paper rolls,
yeah, like empty toilet paper rolls to make the barrel extension. And then you'll need like extra like cardboard you can use, or like or foam board to like add extra details and stuff. And we may make a tutorial coming out later this month on how to make it, because we only had one strife right now. So yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
And basically we made this in a couple of hours, actually. Didn't take that long.
Quite easy to make yourself, actually.
Yeah, you probably need some parent supervision for the cutting and stuff, but it's still a pretty cool gun, and I highly suggest you should make it if you like Fortnite. So let's cut to the montage.